Hi friends! Today we are having a party and first thing that we need to do is to prepare some treats. Let's find some treats. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Oh wow! How many fruits in here! What we made from this? Yes, a fruit salad. We always need to wash our fruit before we eat it. Let's wash our banana. Wash our red strawberry. Wash our apple. Then we wash our tangerine. Do you know what fruit is this, friends? Yes, this is a pitahaya fruit. Let's wash our pitahaya. Great! To make our fruit salad, we need to cut our fruit. I'll take a knife and our banana. Let's cut our banana into small pieces. Banana is yellow. We put our pieces of our banana into our bowl. Let's cut our kiwi. Kiwi is green and it's very healthy. Let's cut our kiwi and put it into our bowl to make our salad. Now let's cut our strawberry. Strawberry is red. Strawberry is also very tasty and sweet. We put a strawberry into our salad. Great! And now let's take our colorful watermelon. Watermelon has different colors. There is red color and green color and white in the middle with black seeds inside. Let's cut our watermelon into our small pieces to make a fruit salad. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Let's put it into our salad. 1, 2, 3. Wow! I think I need to add one more fruit. How about that fruit? Do you remember what its name? Yes, it's a pitahaya fruit. Let's cut our pitahaya fruit and put it into our salad. Great! Our salad almost done. Just some drops of lemon juice. Its salad looks so yummy. And our salad is done. Next in the menu is ice cream. We have 2 ice cream cones, but let's have a look what we have in our fridge. Let's open and see. Oh, we have apples. Great. Then we've got milk. We need milk to make an ice cream. We've got... Oh, what's that? Do you know, friends, what's that? Yes, there is a tangerine. And we have a pomegranate. How tasty it is! Let's wash all our fruit in the sink. Pomegranate, tangerine, and apple. Well done! I'll take this bowl and add some milk in this bowl. Great! Now I'll take a whisk and shake it up. Great! And now I'll take an apple and squeeze it here. Squeeze it. Great! Let's shake it. Wow! But it's not all. Let's take our tangerine and squeeze it into our bowl. Let's shake it. And our last ingredient is the pomegranate. let's squeeze our pomegranate into our bowl. Great! Our ice cream almost done. Let's shake one more time. And now let's take our corns. Now we need to pour our juice into our corns. Here and here. Oh wow! Look at our first ice cream. Yummy! Let's make another one. Let's pour the juice here. Oh wow! What a great ice cream! Now we need to put it into the fridge. Next in the menu is vegetable salad. Let's open our fridge and see what vegetables we've got here. Oh wow! I see an eggplant. Here is a carrot, a pepper, and a tomato. First we need to wash our vegetables. Let's wash our tomato very carefully. Do you like tomatoes? I do. It's red and very healthy food. I'll cut a tomato into small pieces. 1 piece, 2 pieces, and 3 pieces. Tomatoes are very healthy. It needs for us for our health. It has many vitamin C. Great! Now let's wash our carrot. Carrots are also healthy. Bunnies love carrots too. It's orange. We put it into our salad. Carrot. Here is an eggplant. Let's wash it. Great! Eggplant is rather big, so we need to cut it into small pieces. Great! Let's put it into our salad. Now we've got a pepper. Let's wash our pepper. Pepper is green. We cut our pepper and put it into our vegetable salad. Great job! A little bit lemon juice into our vegetable salad. Very good! And now let's get the main dish from our fridge. What's that? What do you think? Yes, here it is. There's our chicken. Let's put our chicken into the oven. We put our chicken on the plate. Add some salt and pepper. Turn our oven. Let's open it. And we put our chicken into the oven. Now we close the oven and wait some time. Our chicken is ready. Let's turn off our oven and let's open our chicken. Be attentive, it might be too hot. Look at all our food we prepared today together. A vegetable salad, a fruit salad, ice creams, and chicken. It's time to call the guests. Hi friends, I'm Oscar. Hi Oscar. And I'm Tony the rabbit. Hello Tony, nice to meet you. Here's Tiger Timmy. Hello Timmy. Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome to my party. I made this treat especially for you. Oh, I see carrots here. Yes, there's the vegetable salad. Woof, woof. It's a chicken. Oh, I like chicken. Have I tried? Yes, of course. Yummy. We've got some special salad for you, Charlie. Oh, thank you. Let's have a look. There's a watermelon, a strawberry. Yummy! Yummy fruit salad. Thank you. Bye bye.